Hi, welcome to another vlog. I am on my way to the dollar store just to pick up some things I need, and I guess I'm vlogging. I'm not wearing any makeup, so the glasses are going to have to do today. I just have some soap in my brows, and yeah. Before we get going, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course, click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's go. It was literally snowing like crazy yesterday. I have no idea how there's no snow on the ground. Well, there is, but barely. It's actually so cold. It's the wind, it's killing me. Film in there. Home. I didn't get anything special. Just some, I think they call it here whiteout. We call it X. But okay. It's so cold. Hey, I think the last time you saw me I was going to the dollar store. I'm not going to lie to you, that was like 2 weeks ago. I did upload a vlog since, but I filmed that because I was trying to get ahead of myself or whatever. Anyway, I have a package from H&M and a few things that I got, and I'm going to show you. What else do I do other than spend money and shop? Look at this. It's huge. I just got a bunch of t-shirts and leggings. I'll just be a sec. I'm going to take everything out of the plastic and then come back because that's going to be annoying. I just filmed everything I got from H&M, and then the camera app quit and it didn't save the video. Yay. I'll do it again, I guess. So the first thing I got is these loose, wide-legged sweatpants. There's no band or anything at the bottom. I did try my order, like everything on when it first came in, just because I was so impatient and curious to see if things are going to look nice. And I'm not sure about these. They're super comfy because there's like nothing restricting you, so I think I'm just going to keep them to chillin' at home. It's why I bought them anyway, but they're just not stunning, you know. I also got the two flared with the slit leggings that I talked about a few vlogs ago, the ones that were in stock in a medium. They came back in stock and I got them, but I'm going to keep them in plastic just to save them for a proper spring and summer, because I'm using the larges now at the gym and I don't want to ruin these. And then I got a few t-shirts. This is the first one. I love it. It's super oversized because I don't know, it's what I like. And it's what I've been wearing to the gym with leggings. It says Self-Care Club on the back. A tiny bit cheesy, but the color. This one's a tiny bit too big, even though all of the t-shirts I got are large. Because I like them extremely oversized. But this one's just a tiny bit too big. But I think I'm going to keep it anyway because I love the color so much. Then this gray one that says California, I think, in green. I'm not obsessed with this one. I'm probably going to return it, or if I'm too lazy, sleep in it. Because it's thicker than the other one, so it gives me men's t-shirts vibes, and it's really boxy. Like the shoulders are huge, and it's also a bit too big. So yeah. Then the last thing I got is also a t-shirt. This is the one that fits best. I mean, they're all oversized, but like oversized. But it's the one I like the best, I guess. It's thin. The size is right. It's pink. Says Pink Floyd. Yeah. I also got a few things from Costco. I don't know how interesting that's going to be, but I got socks. I don't love them because I got a pack before, but where the hell do you buy socks here? Like good socks. These just keep sliding down in my boot, so they're really annoying. I'm like the random person standing at the light fixing my sock. Then also from Costco, because your girl has eczema, this CeraVe, I don't know. Everyone says it different. It's like a set of the moisturizing cream and the moisturizing cream. They have the same name, but one's in a tube and one's... Are they the same thing? One's in a tub. I don't know, but I had one from the same brand for my eczema on my hands. See this? See this? Fun. I'm not sure it was the same one as this, but I figured it's a set. Why not try it? And I finished the other one. So this is like the tube. And then you get a huge tub right here. I also got these headphones from Amazon. I don't have the box anymore because I've been using them for the past 2 weeks. Because I needed them. I'm not going to bore you with the explanation, but I mean, they're fine. They were like $30. They're not the best ever, but when you first put them on, you're like, oh my god, the sound is so bad. But then I guess you get used to it and it just sounds fine. They're just so I could finish my course because the roommate, it's either I have to study when he's not here or I need to get headphones to be able to study during the day, or the course is going to drag out forever. So that's why I got these. They do the job. They're fine. I do go to the gym in them, like on the way there, just because my ears get cold. Because when I go to the gym, I do a high pony and my ears are exposed, so I get super cold. This is how I walk, with a pony. I think that's it for now. We'll see if I do anything else this week. I'm just so exhausted because of the gym. I didn't go to the gym yesterday, but I'm still feeling it. I don't do anything crazy, but it just kicks my ass. So I haven't been doing anything. I haven't been going anywhere. I barely even did any of my course this week. We'll see. Maybe I'll take you with me to the gym. I need to go to the gym today. Don't want to, but I should. I just do 330 on the treadmill and it kills me. It's 12 incline, 3 speed for 30 minutes. It's a good start, I guess, for me. I also have to walk 20 minutes to get to the gym and then 20 minutes to 30 minutes back because I'm slower on the way back. So I just count the whole going, doing, leaving as my workout. And I think that's fine for someone who doesn't like working out and who's just starting. I'm not even going to lose weight or anything. I'm just going for the mental. Just to get out of the house and see people, you know? To have an excuse to leave. So yesterday I did a whole talk, like a huge, super long talk on stories about body image and the struggles of that. I don't know why I did it. I was getting ready, I felt like talking, and that's what I ended up talking about. And I went into some personal shit. So today I woke up to a lot of DMs and I was just sitting here replying to them. I got emotional when I saw the DMs because yesterday when I posted that whole thing, I lost a lot of followers, and when you want to do the online thing, it's not a happy moment when you lose followers. You feel like all your efforts are in vain, but it's not that deep. The DMs, oh my god, I felt like, yes, like the people who stayed, the people who watched are my people. They're people who get it. They get me. We could be friends. I got emotional because it's sad Like, I'm not happy that people actually went through that. But at the same time, I felt happy because I felt like I'm not the only one, you know? It's not just me. So yeah. It was nice. You can go watch the whole talk. I saved it in a highlight on my Instagram. It's called Body Talk. Yeah. I have my headphones on because I want to listen to a podcast, but I think I'm going to cook some curry. I'm really craving that. And I got all the ingredients 2 days ago, so might as well. It's my sister's recipe. Really liked it. So yeah, I don't know if I'm speaking too loud because I have the headphones on, but I was getting ready to put a podcast on while I'm cooking. I'm cooking, but I just had to take off my makeup really badly. It's not even all off. Oh my god, that onion, it burned my eyes, my eyes are still burning. that was a lot. I was trying to find my cleanser just to wash my face, and I was like trying to feel the shape of it because I couldn't open my eyes. Food's ready. I'm so excited. I don't know why it doesn't look that appetizing. Normally the yellow color is like brighter. I think I may have overcooked the veggies a little. It's still gonna be good. Hey, I was just editing and I realized I never ended this vlog. It's a tiny one, but it's cute. It's what I did this week. I didn't do anything too special. But if you enjoyed it anyway, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and of course, click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.